Yes, Terry here. I want to give you a quick overview of the JB4 for Dodge Charger install. I've got it installed here already. I'll kind of go over the basics so we're able to make a real install guide. First thing is you want to pop off the engine cover. There's a 1/2 inch nut here you pop off. Then it just lifts off and out of the way. Next you're going to take off the airbox top to access the map sensor below. So you do that by loosening this. I loosened this a bit, but you don't really need to. And then you've got 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 that you back out. That lets you take the lid off. Now you don't have to disconnect this. You don't need to disconnect these harnesses here. What you'll do is you'll pop this air box off and just fold it over. Then you'll take out the air filter. There's a 10mm bolt here you'll take out. Then this entire air box lifts up and out. We'll superimpose some photos over this video so you can see what we're talking about. From there, you can access the map connector, which is down below, underneath the airbox. Once that's in, you'll do the manifold map connector. That's right up here, easy to reach. The harness will just route along here. I located the JB4 box here. I use a zip tie around this hose to secure it. Note that you won't have these purple and orange and blue wires. These are for expansion stuff that we're doing for development, so you won't have that. But you will have this connector. This is also an expansion connector. It's not currently used. It's got red, green, brown, black wires. So you'll just secure it, tuck it out of the way for now. Someday we might do something with that. But for now, it'll stay there out of the way. Then the last part is the OBD. It plugs in under here. You can sort of see it. And I tucked it just along under here, which you can do just with your fingers. You can see it kind of moving up along there. I let it go around the door jamb here. It's a thin wire, so it's fine for that. Tuck it under here. It'll come out right where my fingers are here. You can feel it. And I just left it underneath the hood hinge, so it's out of the way. I left it under this gap. And then that plugs right in. I like this install for the OBD because it takes literally 10 seconds. You can put it in, take it out, super duper easy. But I know it's not the cleanest setup because you do see the wire around here, even though it's not an issue. So later we'll make a video showing you how to go through the grommets down here, which is more work, but for some of you it might be more rewarding. Pop the engine cover back on. That's it, you're good to go.